Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2020 Chevrolet Traverse LT all-wheel drive, loaded up leather, beautiful condition. 2 sunroofs on top, really in nice shape. It's got about 26,000 miles in it, beautiful condition. We're gonna go ahead and give it a quick walk around, then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. It's really in nice shape. Loaded up, beautiful condition. Okay, let's go ahead and take a close look here. Here we go. Front bumpers in beautiful shape. Look at that. Amazing condition. Really nice. Very nice. This one has a 360 camera. So it has cameras in all the points here. So when you're doing your backup camera or whatever, you can actually see everything around you. Really nice. All right, so let's look at the headlamps. Headlamps are in beautiful shape. Look at the fog lamps on the bottom there, beautiful condition. The grill's in beautiful shape, super clean. Let's take a look at this other one. Really amazing condition. The bottom here also in beautiful shape. Take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful condition. Really nice, really outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Take a look at the front fender. On the driver's side, beautiful shape. Looks clean throughout, very nice condition. Driver doors in beautiful shape. Take a look here, very nice condition. Super clean. It's got a small little tiny dent right there and a small little imperfection here on the edge of the door. Besides that, looks beautiful. Mirrors are in beautiful shape. Very nice. It has that lane assist there, check it out. Looks beautiful, very nice condition. Let's look at the rear door on the driver's side. Beautiful shape, clean throughout. Very nice condition, nothing to show there. Quarter panels in beautiful shape. Looks really nice. Clean throughout, beautiful condition. Very nice. Let's look at the rear lights on this one. Really nice shape. Beautiful shape throughout. Look at the hatch. Hatch is in beautiful condition. Really nice. Glass is in great shape. Hatch does have a long dent right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's got a small little dent right here. Say about 2 inches long. It's got a little dent right there. Rear bumpers in beautiful shape. Parking sensors all the way around. Looks nice. It's got a little damage here to the rubber. Besides that, looks very nice. Really in beautiful shape. Another little imperfection here on the paint that was touched up. Had a little scratch there, was touched up. Take a look at the quarter panel on the passenger side. Beautiful shape. Clean throughout, very nice condition. It's got a small dent right here also. Another dent right there. Rear door on the passenger side. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape. Let's take a look. I just saw a small little dent right there. Besides that, looks good. Take a look at the chrome on there. The glass looks good. Passenger mirror looks amazing. Really nice shape. Doors in great shape. Very nice. It's got a couple touch-ups here that were done. Front fender on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Looks really nice. Glass is in beautiful shape. Looks super clean. Don't see any marks or anything on it to show. Let's take a close look on this side. No, don't see anything on the glass. Really nice shape. Roof on the top looks good. As you can see there, it has the two glasses on top there. Really nice. Beautiful condition. Okay, that's pretty much it. That's our walk around on this one. We're gonna take a look at the interior. Then we'll take it for a test drive in a moment. Be right back. Really nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Look at that, really outstanding shape. Very nice. Take a look at the stitching here. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Look at that, very nice. It's got controls for the rear hatch. Driver seats in beautiful shape, clean throughout. Look at the stitching on there, looks super sharp. Very nice condition. It's got rubber floor mats. Original from Chevy, beautiful shape. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks amazing. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Look at that, beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape. Very nice condition. Take a look at the stitching here. Looks super sharp. Really nice. Look at the controls, power locks. Very nice condition. Driver's seats in beautiful shape. Really nice. Look at that. Power seats on both sides with lumbar and everything. Looks amazing. Dashboard, steering wheel looks amazing. Brand new. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Beautiful condition throughout. Really outstanding shape. Look at the armrest. Very nice condition. Super nice shape. Look at that. Very nice. Take a look at the rear seat. Second row's in beautiful shape. Look at the stitching on there. It looks super sharp. Full set of rubber floor mats. Really amazing. Looks super clean. Very nice. Take a look at the liner. It's got those two sunroofs there. Very nice. We'll take a look at them in a moment. Controls for the rear AC. It's got a power plug here, I believe. 110 and a couple USBs there. Really useful. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side rear door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape, clean throughout. Really amazing condition. Very nice. Take a look at the second row. Really beautiful shape. Look at the stitching there on the seat. Looks super sharp. Rubber floor mats all the way through. Amazing shape. Let's take a quick look at the third row. Really nice. Look how clean this is. Really amazing condition. Super clean. Very nice. Outstanding shape. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2020. Gonna go ahead and start it up. There's a key fob for it. Lock, unlock, remote start, and power hatch. Gonna set it down here in the cup holder. Gonna press the start button. Starts right up. Look at that. Fantastic. All right, you can see all the gauges are fully functional. They're all going up and down. Amazing. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a close look here. This one has 26,672 miles. And it's got a really nice information center. You can scan through here. So you go to your phone. That's the settings. If you'd like to change any settings on it. Options. The navigation, it shows you what street we're on right now. Radio station you're listening to, some other information, and the home page. So we'll leave it on there. Fuel, 71 miles till empty. So it's 26,672 miles. Really nice. All the gauges are fully functional. Let's take a look here. Cruise control. This is the collision alert thing here they have. You can do a setting on it. The closer, the further away. So we'll leave it the further away. It's also got heated steering wheel. This is the information center. This is for you can speak your commands for your Bluetooth. Power mirrors, left and right. Power windows, automatic lights. It's got fog lights on the bottom there. Really nice. Steering wheel's in beautiful condition. Look at this. Looks brand new. It's got the same stitching and stuff as on the seats. Looks super sharp. Okay, turning signals, fully functional. Fantastic. Controls for the front and rear wipers. Dashboard looks brand new. Look at this. Amazing condition. Really nice shape. Looks beautiful. Okay, let's take a look at the information center. This one's nice. This one has navigation. It's all loaded up. Look at that. Let's go to the audio first. Fantastic. Went to audio. And then you have AM, FM, XM radio, Bluetooth, and Alexa. That's really nice. So back to home again. The phone, you can set up your phone. Right now there's no phone connected. Navigation, goes right to navigation there. Fantastic. And then that's your hotspot settings there. Users, in case you want to set up users or whatever, which is nice. Your settings for the system. For the apps, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. For the vehicle, rear seat reminder. The lighting, collision detection. Let's look at those. So this one has forward collision detection, front passenger detection, pedestrian detection, lane change alert, parking assist, and rear cross traffic. So it's got a lot of safety features there. Super nice. Okay, let's go back to home again. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, You go like that. These are some other apps that have been downloaded. So rear climate control, because it has rear controls back there. You can control them from here if you'd like. So that's super nice. My Chevy, you got the XM radio, camera. There you go. You can see your cameras all the way around. Take a close look there. Got different settings here, whatever you'd like to set up. This is really nice. Okay, let's put it back again. Go back to home. Fantastic. Okay, so let's take a look at the AC controls. Climate control. So you got one temperature here, one here, one in the rear. You have your heated seats, which is nice to have. Front and rear defrost. You've got your fan controls if you want to put it automatic. The recycle. Very nice. Down below here you have your power plug, auxiliary, 2 USBs. Here we go. This is for the all-wheel drive. You can set that up. You could put it on 4-wheel drive, which is all-wheel drive on this one. This I think is the touring one there. No, this is actually like if you're going to go in the mountains or whatever, and that's if you're going to tow something. So we'll go ahead and we'll leave it back on 2-wheel drive. And here you have your lane assist. You can turn it on and off, so we'll turn it on. This is for your traction control, your parking brake. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and test out the sunroofs here, which is really only one that moves. The other one's just a glass roof. So all you got to do is you got to go ahead and you click this forward on this one here. This one has another one back here. There you go. It's nice and open there. So you have your light coming in the back there, light coming in here, and then we can go ahead and pop the roof back. Fantastic, look at that. Super nice. And then we can bring it back. And then this one has a tilt here in case you want to just tilt the roof up in the front to let the heat out. And you're all set, that's it. And then these are closed manually. Pretty simple, huh? Okay, fantastic, look at that. Looks super sharp. Really nice feature. Nice extra for the kids in the back. Amazing. All right, that's pretty much the whole interior here. We're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive in a little while. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all sitting here at the light. We're waiting for the light to change. We're all ready. We're already in drive. So we're gonna go ahead and take it for a little spin. Here we go. Give it a second. Super smooth, feels good. Really nice drive. Okay, we just got another light. Okay, so we're off again. Drives nice, feels smooth. Very nice drive. Okay, now let's go ahead and check out the parking sensors. The 3D cam that it has. is super cool. All right, we'll just find a spot here and then we'll back it up. There you go, just put it in reverse. Check out the cam. So it shows you all the way around what's going on. Let's pick a spot. Go straight back. Super nice. Look at that. Amazing. And then it has rear parking sensors on this one, which is really nice. Down here you can change the settings also of the camera, how it shows up. If you guys want to change the way it looks, check it out. It's super cool. That's the rear. Check it out on the rear, on the bottom there. The side cam. Super cool. It's really nice, beautiful feature. All right, that's pretty much our test drive on this one. As you can see, everything's fully functional, no issues at all. Really in great shape. After you put it back in park, it goes back to normal. Now, if you're going to drive off, sometimes they would stay with the front camera, showing you the front camera. Let's see that. There you go. That's the front camera. So as soon as you drive off, it shows you which way you're going, and it should cut right off in a little bit. There you go. All right, so that's our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires, under the hood, and the cargo area. We'll be right back. Okay, let's go ahead and open up the power hatch here. Check out the remote. So we're going to go ahead and press this twice. Should open right up. Really nice. Look at that. It's got a little rubber mat there. Beautiful. Down below here, carpet. Below that, a little bit of storage. Under that, when you take this out, you'll find the spare tire. Really nice shape. Beautiful condition. And these seats here, they fold forward to give you a little more room, which is really nice. Amazing condition. Let's go ahead and check out the power hatch to close it. There you go. Amazing. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment for this 2020 Chevy Traverse. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape. Can't get any better than this. Very nice. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tire's in beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice shape. Rim is clean. Does have some imperfections here and there. Besides that, it's in really nice shape. Very nice. Okay, take a look at the rear tire. On the driver's side, tires are in really great shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice. Does have a small little scuff right there. Besides that, it's in beautiful shape. All right, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tires are in really great shape. Looks really nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tires in great shape. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Really nice shape on this one. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2020 Chevrolet Traverse LT all-wheel drive model. Loaded up, leather, all the toys, beautiful condition, 360 camera, really amazing shape. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUseAutoSales.com. Thanks for watching.